Smart Dual Zone. Air fryer revolutionizes home cooking with its ability to cook two different dishes at once, perfect for busy households globally. This innovative appliance features two independent cooking compartments, each equipped with separate heating elements and fans, allowing flexible temperature and time settings. With Smart Finish or Sync Finish technology, both zones complete cooking simultaneously. No more timing guesswork. Multifunctional capabilities include air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Compact and efficient, it delivers healthy, speedy, and customizable meals with minimal cleanup, making it a top smart kitchen gadget worldwide. Multicooker is a globally celebrated countertop kitchen champion that consolidates a world of cooking styles into one compact device. With its timer-based electric control, a typical multicooker handles pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, browning, and even baking, all in a single pot equipped with an adjustable thermostat. Modern models add pre-programmed menus, one-touch operation, and keep warm functions, enabling anyone, novice or pro, to cook thousands of dishes across global cuisine simply by selecting a setting and walking away. Versatile, space-saving, and globally trusted. High-speed blender is a must-have global kitchen powerhouse that blends, chops, purees, and even heats soups with lightning-fast motor power. Equipped with a robust 1,200 to 1,500 watt motor and hardened stainless steel blades, it pulverizes ingredients into silky smooth textures, even crushing ice, fibrous greens, and nuts effortlessly. Featuring variable speed control and pulse settings, it offers precision for smoothies, nut milks, sauces, frozen desserts, and hot emulsions. With a durable BPA-free pitcher, easy clean design, and compact footprint, this all-in-one appliance is a staple for health-conscious homes, busy families, and culinary creatives everywhere, ideal for smoothies, meal prep, and creative cooking. Smart Wireless Meat. Thermometer is a must-have smart kitchen gadget delivering precision cooking globally, whether grilling or smoking. This tool offers 1 to 4 food-grade probes that monitor both internal and ambient temperatures, up to approximately 572 degrees Fahrenheit, with plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. Probes connect wirelessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to your smartphone app, offering up to 500-foot range, real-time temperature tracking, cooking presets, and timer alerts. Battery life stretches up to 72 hours, and many models come with a magnetic charging hub, perfect for effortless grilling, roasting, sous vide, or barbecues. It elevates your cooking game anywhere. Precision Sous Vide. Circulator is a must-have smart kitchen gadget that lets home cooks everywhere achieve professional-level results with ease. This sleek, compact device attaches to any pot and precisely heats water to cooking temperatures between 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on model, maintaining accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity allows remote control via app for setting temperature, cook time, and custom presets. With a powerful water pump and sturdy stainless steel construction, it accommodates water baths from 2 to 20 liters. Ideal for perfectly tender meats, silky eggs, and flavorful infusions, globally loved for its precision and convenience. Food processor with dough and julienne discs is a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse embraced by home cooks globally, combining chopping, mixing, and slicing efficiency with compact versatility. Equipped with a robust motor, 500 to 1,000 watts, it includes a dough blade for perfect kneading, julienne disc for crisp vegetable strips, and standard chopping blade, all housed within a BPA-free bowl. Multiple speed settings ensure precision across recipes, while safety lock and pulse features enhance control. Easy to clean and storage friendly, it adapts well to global culinary needs, a top-tier smart kitchen staple for diverse meal prep. Immersion blender with safety guard is a versatile and globally favored kitchen tool designed for effortless blending and pureeing with added protection. Featuring a powerful 300 to 800 watt motor, stainless steel blades, and a safety guard to prevent splashes and finger contact, it handles soups, smoothies, sauces, and baby food with ease. The ergonomic non-slip grip and one-touch operation make it user-friendly, while detachable design allows easy cleaning and compatibility with attachments like whisk or chopper, a compact yet indispensable appliance that brings convenience, safety, and efficiency to kitchens worldwide. Vacuum Sealer is a globally essential kitchen appliance designed to preserve food freshness and reduce waste by removing air and sealing bags tightly. Featuring a powerful suction motor, 60 to 90 kilopascals, it locks in flavor while preventing freezer burn, making it ideal for meats, vegetables, and dry goods. Many models support dry and moist modes, pulse function for delicate items, and automatic or manual sealing options. Compact and user-friendly, most include a bag cutter and storage compartment for convenience. Durable, energy efficient, and easy to clean. A vacuum sealer is perfect for meal prep, sous vide cooking, and long-term food storage worldwide. Precision Digital Kitchen Scale is a must-have kitchen companion that brings accurate, reliable measurements to home cooks and bakers across the globe. Featuring a high-precision stainless steel platform and advanced load cell technology, it measures weights from 1 gram to 5 kilograms, or 0.1 ounces to 11 pounds, with plus or minus 0.1 gram accuracy. Designed for flexibility, it offers unit conversions, grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and a practical tare function for multi-ingredient prep. With a sleek, low-profile design, touch controls, auto-sleep power-saving mode, and clear LCD display, it's battery or USB powered for kitchen convenience. Compact, easy to clean, and essential for global meal prep, baking, and portion control. Induction burner is a high-efficiency, globally popular cooking tool that combines rapid heating with precise temperature control for modern kitchens around the world. It features a powerful 1800-watt induction coil capable of reaching up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit and offers adjustable power and temperature settings for simmering, boiling, and searing. Its flat ceramic top design ensures even heat distribution and easy cleaning, while the digital touch panel supports timers and safety features like auto shutoff and overheat protection. Compact, portable, and energy conscious, this sleek cooktop brings professional level performance to home cooks everywhere. Countertop Combi Oven is a global culinary powerhouse that effortlessly combines convection, steam, and combination cooking modes into a compact, countertop-friendly design. This versatile appliance features adjustable temperature ranges from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, precise steam injection, and multiple humidity levels for perfect baking, roasting, steaming, or reheating. Equipped with intuitive digital controls and programmable presets, it ensures consistent results. A stainless steel interior, easy to clean drip tray, and fan-assisted even heat distribution make it user-friendly. Ideal for busy homes, cafes, and kitchens worldwide needing multi-purpose pro-grade cooking in a compact form. Carbonated Water Maker is a stylish and globally popular home appliance that effortlessly transforms ordinary water into sparkling refreshment in seconds. Featuring a sleek BPA-free carbonation bottle and an easy-to-use nozzle, it carbonates still water with adjustable fizziness levels from gentle to robust. Compatible with standard CO2 canisters, it ensures fine, fizzy bubbles while minimizing waste. Compact, lightweight, and quiet, it's perfect for daily hydration, cocktails, and cooking, offering eco-friendly convenience and cost savings worldwide. Coffee System is a game changer in global home brewing, merging convenience with cafe-grade versatility. This sleek countertop appliance features integrated automatic grinders, precise temperature-controlled boilers, and milk frothers, all governed by intuitive digital interfaces. With settings for espresso, pour-over, and single-serve drip, it offers programmable strength, volume, and brew style. Built-in water filtration ensures purity, while smart scheduling allows preset brewing times. Compact, energy efficient, and easy to clean, it's perfect for coffee lovers worldwide seeking barista-quality drinks at home. Safe Mandoline Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool adored globally for effortless and safe slicing. Its ergonomic design includes a sturdy non-slip base and a handguard that securely holds produce, protecting fingers while slicing with precision. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe materials, it offers adjustable blades for ultra-thin to thick cuts, perfect for veggies, fruits, cheese, or potatoes. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for meal prep and professional kitchens alike. A brilliant blend of efficiency, safety, and convenience in one tool. Smart Storage and Prep System is a modern kitchen essential that seamlessly combines ingredient storage and meal prep in one intelligent setup. This sleek system features smart canisters that preserve freshness and automatically dispense precise portions through intuitive controls. With airtight seals, customizable firmware presets, and compact modular design, it maximizes pantry space and speeds up cooking. Ideal for meal prepping, recipe accuracy, and clutter-free kitchens worldwide, beloved by bakers, chefs, and busy families alike.